That's called using the rain to your advantage. That, my friend, is 7 months of dust accumulation under the winter tarp cover. It's gonna look so good once I'm done. Watch out! I don't want the rain to stop, it just has to wash the whole thing first. So I started to brush both sides of the boat, and you can see this is not done here yet, but this here is. So it's coming right out with the brush. Easy peasy, no problem. My baby got her belly rubbed. Perfect. Oh, she's looking great. Oh, that's so satisfying. Oh, yes. Yeah, it's just dust. And look at the dust accumulation here from the top of the canvas with the rain coming down. Holy, the rain is doing its job. She's looking much better already, right? Shiny. And even though I buffed the bottom part, I didn't do the top part because it was too full of dust under the winter tarp cover. So that's going to be next. Supposed to rain off and on for the next few days, so I guess it's going to give me a break. I don't know if you noticed, but there's some posts that hold the dock together, and then like just this one here right next to my boat. And what happened is when the water level goes up or down, the dock just follows along. See, it's just like there's a casing around it, so there's no worries about our lines getting snapped because the boat goes a bit too higher or further down. Alright, so I've been washing the boat for a little while. Time to take a little break and get inside the beautiful Sundancer. Looking forward to that. I didn't bring much today. I did bring the water filtration system, so I'm gonna hook that up because without it I can't really stay overnight because there's no water system here. It's not the marina's fault. Launch was a few days ago and I've been busy at home working 12-hour days, just getting the house ready so that the family doesn't have to do much because I'll be away for 2 to 3 months. May 29th, my real time here, and it's the first time really that I come on the boat since we launched. Yes. And a quick look at the thruster charger. It's in the green, all good, perfect. So the stern thruster is fully charged. This is the charger for the 2 batteries for the stern thruster. And you can see it's written 5 times 2. That's because it's to recharge 2 batteries. So there's the power cord, and there's an extension that goes to one battery, another one that goes to the other battery. Oh, beautiful startup. Okay, it's up there now. Probably gonna get a bit higher. Let's do the other motor. Oh. It's not coming on. So what do we have here in the cart? That's the first load that I bring to the boat. So my wife tried the washing machine back home and it works very well. She was impressed by it. There's a nice flow to it, a very strong motor, so we'll see how long it lasts. Other than that, look at this. P100 masks. I mean, there are forest fires all over and it smells. So if it ever gets overwhelming, at least we have those to put on. I got also the P95 in case it's just mild. I got myself also a 150-foot long rope just to tie the stern of the boat when I'm anchored down in a beautiful Georgian Bay somewhere between islands. My wife got us a mat, and I've seen this on a few boat shows where there's a fan. So I got a double fan that swivels. And these are what I was talking about earlier a few days ago. Use them for my raised bed gardens, but I think I'm going to use them for the dinghy, just to make a, like a curve to the tarp so that the water doesn't stay in just like it is right now. I don't know if it'll work, but I'll try it out. And also I'm going to put my new dinghy tarp on. This one is ripped. It's fairly barren in here right now, but let's see what it looks like very shortly. Packing up for the big voyage. I can't believe it's almost here. In theory, next Monday, June 16th, is when I'll be leaving. So that's like a week and a day. Wow. So in my mind, it's all playing and where I'll be stopping, what I'll be doing, and everything. And I just remember very vividly when I was out there, either alone or with my wife on the Rideau Canal, how much privilege it feels like, and how much fun and joyful and relaxing, and looking back at all my work for about 40 years. 37 years or so, and then it culminated to this here, just enjoying my retirement. Wow. So let's have a quick look at what this dual fan combo thing looks like. Looking good. Oh, look at that. It even has USB ports, so a cigarette lighter, because I have one right here, and I also have one in my little battery pack, which is right beside the bed. So, and there's also one outside. I just pressed the accessories key in the control panel here, so now it's working. Oh, there's a speed on it. Oh, they even turn. Let's see if my battery pack can take the load. Oh, wonderful. I'm so getting ready for that vacation. I got my AC filter, I got my 3 water filters, and I have my maps here. So again, going from Ottawa to Kingston to Trenton to Port Severn, So that means the Rideau Canal, the Trent Severn Waterway, and then the Georgian Bay. Now, there's a lot of maps in here, and of course I got the digital ones, but you never know. And then, so here's an overview of those maps that I just printed. I mean, over here is Ottawa, and then you got Kingston, so that's the Rideau Canal. And I got, there's 3 maps. So I know which, and they have the numbers on them. So I can just go in here and refer quickly to those maps. And it's the same thing too with the Trent Severn. So Kingston and goes up here, but I got a better one here. So yeah, then here's Trenton and all the way to Port Severn. So I know exactly which map, just in case my maps in here get mixed up somehow. And even larger scale here. So down here we got Port Severn all the way to Killarney and the North Channel. So again, all the map numbers are written and I have them all here too. So yeah, I like being organized like that. And one of my favorite things to do on the boat in the spring is to put this on. Wow. And it's a gift from a coworker from my wife, so thank you very much for that. I mean, that was very thoughtful. I love it. Gosh, that looks like it belongs there. And of course, there's another one for the bathroom, right? Just for the record, the real reason why I'm going on that nice vacation, it's not to enjoy retirement, really. It's not to celebrate my 25th wedding anniversary, really. But when I went on the Rideau Canal last summer, there's a little intruder there that came in on the boat and I didn't know. Spent all the winter inside the boat and it's really looking for its mommy. So that's my mission. It's to bring him back. I'm not sure exactly where, so I'm gonna have to roam around the waters probably for months at a time, and yeah, I'm gonna help find its mother. A little boo-boo here that happened is that the door decided not to close anymore. This fell apart and this came loose, so yeah, I'm probably gonna, while I'm at the store, gonna get a little contraption there to fix that up. All good. So it's time to test the waters, pun intended. For regulatory reasons, the marina here cannot have potable water. So I have my water filtration system, and it's time to go try it out. So I got the water filtration system out, and there's a little boo-boo. Come have a look. So how did this happen, I wonder? It was in the house all winter long, and it's a pretty thick plastic. If I was on my own on the Rideau Canal or the Trent or Georgian Bay, well, I would probably use some epoxy and try my luck with it. I think it would work, but yeah, let's get a new one. I don't have my tools with me, so don't tell my wife. Yes. The only thing I left on the boat was those 2 pliers, so I think we're gonna be good. Ah, yes. Here we go. All right, so onto the store, and I'll get some spare ones. Well, my friends, it's time to install the new dinghy cover. The one that's on there now is there's some holes in it, and there's going to be some rain tonight, like a lot. So might as well just make the best of it right now, right? Let's do this. Just a young girl with views. I was uptight, on a let loose. I was dreaming, big things, wanna leave my whole life behind. Not a yes sir, not a follower. Let the dots hold on the scene. Pull it up, take a number. I was lightning before the thunder. Well, there's nothing like a little bit of exercise, right? fall I had my hat on the bed here and I took it with me for the winter, and now we're back for another boating season, people. Oh yeah. Well, you guys know what I'm gonna say, right? We'll see you guys on the next one. Bye for now.
Who do you think you are? Dreaming about being a big star.